Who built this?
Carrie, now Grandpa.
Loud Grandpa. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, now Grandpa.
Nice work. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Wow, this is nice. I like this.
Yes, sir. Actually got a hold of this thing so
Nice.
too much weight on now.
Oh, you reinforced the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, reinforce the whole truck.
Yeah. Nice. Who built this?
Carrie, now Grandpa.
Loud Grandpa. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, now Grandpa.
Nice work. Are these ZV?
NSV4s.
NSV4 15s. Okay.
Yep.
On how much power?
Salt 6K?
Salt 6K.
Yes, sir.
Is it wired down?
I got them at half an ohm.
Okay.
Half an ohm, yep.
How much lithium?
I think it's a 45.
45?
Yeah.
Okay, king of lithium. Nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Want to throw me the keys? Hold up.
Oh, man. What was your name?
One.
Juan.
Yes, sir.
Have y'all metered it yet?
I metered when I had the ZV5s. I actually just went to Orlando 2 days ago,
Okay.
about 3 days ago,
Yep.
and picked these up. But when I metered it the first time, it was just the ZV5s, and it hit a 151.
51, okay. So this is probably, you think louder? You feel it?
I would say it's louder, yeah.
Okay.
Yep,
All right.
yep.
All right. And what was it tuned to?
I believe Carrie said 25 hertz when we did it.
25? Oh, we're tuned low.
Yeah.
All right. You like the lows?
Yeah, it hits
Yeah.
real good on lows.
Yeah. Okay.
Found a good song.
Nice. Right by the amp rack is. You have a whole other baffle for the amp, and then you have the battery or amp isolators.
Oh yeah, yeah. It would. We had used something else, and it would just snap the screws every single time we would. Every time we'd hit them lows, it would break a screw and break a screw.
Oh, so you had that issue too?
Yeah, it would break the screw. So I went with those right there,
Nice.
and it hits pretty good. People, they'd be surprised with it.
I was gonna say, because it seems like it doesn't fall off down what, low 20s really well.
A lot of people have been telling me that, and they were like, "Hey, it don't fall off at all. It just sounds real good for 215s." Like since I got out here today, a lot of people have been coming out here and listening to it.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the demo.
So much, man.
Yes, sir. Nice to
I'm
meet you.
looking forward to seeing it on YouTube.
Yes, sir. I do a lot of videos.
Oh yeah, I follow you. I told him I saw you out here. I told him, hey, hopefully come to my show,
man.
maybe I can get on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, boss.
You're welcome.
like the artist, so I sent the bitch to law school.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.